Deep cleaning on desktop PC. Thank you, ma'am, Evan Marie, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Desktop cleaning is an essential practice for maintaining optimal performance and longevity of a computer system. There are several compelling reasons why customers should prioritize this task. First and foremost, deep cleaning helps prevent overheating. Dust accumulation can obstruct airflow within the case, causing components overheat, which may lead to hardware damage or even complete system failure. By ensuring that air can circulate freely, users can protect their investment and maintain the efficiency of their systems. In addition to preventing overheating, a clean desktop significantly improves overall performance. When dust builds up, it can hinder the operation of fans and other cooling mechanisms, leading to sluggish performance. A well-maintained system runs more efficiently, resulting in faster response times and a smoother user experience. This is especially important for users who rely on their desktops for demanding tasks such as gaming, video editing, or software development. Moreover, cleaning a desktop can reduce noise levels. Dusty fans can become noisy as they struggle to operate efficiently. By removing dust, users can enjoy a quieter computing environment, which is particularly beneficial for those working in shared spaces or quiet settings. Finally, preventative maintenance through deep cleaning can lead to significant cost savings. By regularly cleaning their desktops, customers can reduce the likelihood of encountering costly repairs or component replacements due to neglect this proactive approach. The maintenance can ultimately save both time and money in the long run. However, at PTIT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering a deep cleaning service for desktop and laptops that stands out for its exceptional professionalism and trustworthiness. Our dedicated team of skilled technicians is equipped with the latest tools and advanced techniques to deliver a thorough and meticulous cleaning. We understand the importance of maintaining your desktop performance and longevity, which is why we ensure every aspect of the cleaning process is handled with the utmost care and precision. Deep cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your desktop deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.